Hello everyone, this is Vikrant Kumar. In this video, I'm going to do a price action analysis on Motherson Sumi. So this is a chart of Motherson Sumi in daily time frame. So now I'm going to draw a trend line here. So it goes like this. Yes, this is one trend line I can draw here, and as you can see, the same trend line has been tested at various points. Here you can see it has been acting as a resistance for this stock, and after giving a breakout, the same trend line has turned into a support line. And here also I can draw one more line. So it goes like this. So yes. So you can observe this is in a triangle pattern. Now let me discuss about few important points which I can observe here. So now this is a major one of the good resistance here. And now if I can draw a line on this resistance, you can observe the same resistance has turned into support at this place, and there's resistance here. So the stock has been touching this line here, and couldn't move above the line. And here you can observe uh, at the same line there's a resistance. So at this point there are two resistance. One is this resistance line, and one is this trend line, this internal trend line, which has been acting as a resistance. So once it gave a breakout, you can observe it gave a breakout with good volume, so it started moving up. So and later now it is kind of consolidating, and now you can see this has been consolidating inside a triangle pattern, and now it has given a breakout. uh, let me switch it to 1 hour time frame. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so now as you can see, let me just align this line properly in 1 hour time frame. Okay, so now we can see this stock has given breakout from the triangle pattern also, and now it is kind of retraced back and started moving up. So now if you want to buy this stock, so this could be the next important level to watch out, and wait for this stock to give a breakout in 1 hour time frame above this line. As you can see, at the same place it has tested this region and started coming down, and again at the same place there was selling pressure. One more point I want to discuss is it gave a breakout with good volume also, and while it is coming down, as you can see the volume is down. So if it gives a breakout above this line, so we can expect this stock to shot up to this level. I'll just draw a line here. So this could be the target. Okay, yes, this could be the next target if it gives a breakout above this line in 1 hour time frame. So I'll just show you one more important line we can draw here. Let me just switch it to daily time frame. Yes, this is in daily time frame. Now you can see there is one line I can draw here. So yes, so here the stock has tested this region and started coming down. This is an important resistance area. At the same level, recently it has touched the line and started coming down. Now the next target, if it gives a breakout above this line, could be this line. So if I want to just see what could be the up move from this level, it is around 8 to 9. Yes, 8 to 9%. And remember, this 8 to 9% profit you could see in a very short time. This is not like you have to wait for months or weeks like that. Within few days you can watch this 8 or 9% profit. So yes, this is about the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you. And one more thing, it's not a you know stock recommendation. This is just for a educational purpose to understand how a technical analysis works in stock market. Yes, thank you. Thanks a lot.